What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Why is it so loud today? Oh, I think I just had my volume up. Alright, I was like, why is it so loud? We're good now. What up, everyone? What up, Zach, Crawford, and PZ? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you, everyone, for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. Dip up, it keeps on dipping. Talk about Facebook, right? Meta? Yeah, no words. So, I mean, it's not as good of a company as it used to be, but they do have good subsidiaries, Instagram and WhatsApp. But yeah, the metaverse is a epic fail so far. So it's gonna survive, and I do think this is a good time to buy the dip. Not financial advice. We'll get to that. But yeah, it's pretty rough for Facebook lately. But diamond hands, long term it should pay out. But yeah. But yeah, Zach, I think $100 is a really good entry. We'll get to that. We're gonna analyze Meta later. PBTS will be a multi-day runner starting at 16. What makes you say that? Let me see. PBTS Power Bridge. I'm pretty sure I shorted this a few times before. There's no news or anything, so I mean, I sure hope so for the apes, for the bulls. But I'm not seeing anything that would pump or squeeze the stock. So just curious, why do you think it's gonna pump, Crawford? Anyway, I hope it does for your sake. Okay. Cool. So today is Thursday, October 27th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. We could have went with Ramistan. Probably should have, actually. But the Dow is in the green, and I think crypto is slightly in the green, so we'll change it up today. We'll go with the stock exchange, because, we keep doing Ramistan every single day. It's getting a bit depressing. And yeah, guys, today I do have a lot of content. This week's been pretty slow. The past few weeks actually have been pretty slow. Because it's just been mega good. And, when the market's red, retail does not like to come out and watch. So, but today we have a lot of content to get through. Today's going to be a good show. PBTS likes to run with the cryptos, especially Doge and ETH. Alright, dude. So that means you think crypto is going to run as well, a multi-day runner. I mean, it has been for the last few days, but yeah, I hope it keeps on going. Still holding this Doge bag. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Amazon and Apple down. Did they have earnings right now or something? What happened? Hold up. Oh, yep, they do have earnings. Okay. So we'll look at Amazon and Apple in a second here. I did not know that. Okay. And Apple is the only tech stock that didn't get wrecked yet. All right, so we'll look at Apple and well, Apple didn't come out yet. I don't think it did. But Amazon came out. So yeah, we'll look at Amazon and then Apple when that comes out, but I don't see the Apple earnings just yet. What up, Beelzebub? What's up? Glad to have you back, dude.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Especially with Twitter being bought tomorrow, Doge should run more, in my opinion. I mean, it may be the sell the news event. It could be buy the rumor. Well, it's not even a rumor, but buy the news and or pretty much buy the rumor, sell the news. So I sure hope so, dude. I'm just holding the bag. That'd be very nice. Yep, earnings. There goes Amazon Timber. What up, Conrad?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
So a lot of people in here today. Appreciate everyone. Please smash like button if you haven't yet, guys. Yeah, there goes Amazon. Gotcha, dude. Where's my... Is it this one? Oh. Well, It doesn't fit the screen. All right, we'll do it when we switch it here. But I did have this. I gotta change it, but it's the paper hands meme. All right, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here. All right. So like I said, a lot of content today. A lot of content to go over. So today's show is probably gonna be pretty long. Because there's a lot of content, and as of right now, there's a lot of people in the chat. So I'm thinking 2 hours to 2.5 hours. If there's a lot of chatting, we may even go 3 hours. Today's probably going to be a long show, which is fine because, the past week or two, we've been having some pretty slow shows. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we have 3 articles. Well, really 4, but one article is part of Facebook Meta, and we're going to analyze Meta later. But yeah, we got 3 articles. One about FTX and a possible stablecoin. One about Visa and a possible crypto wallet. And one about the GDP numbers, the gross domestic product, which was the big news today. And then today for the analysis, we're going to be doing Meta. So major go yesterday. Today, all the news and upgrades or downgrades, I should say, came out, and we're gonna do a full TA on Meta, and then tomorrow we're probably gonna do Amazon or Apple. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, Meta is the hot stock right now, and not for a good reason. It had like 20K views on StockTwits, number 1 by far. So we're gonna analyze Meta. Okay. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff when we analyze Meta. There's news, earnings, downgrades, and the TA. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And then, of course, throughout the show, we're going to be doing live rainbow bearing. So, yeah, a lot of stuff to cover today. A lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone. What up, Swirls and Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Lol at the toilet. Yeah, the paper hands. I gotta fix the meme there. On this screen. On the other scene, it works fine on my webcam, but on my regular camera here, I have to adjust the memes. SPY broke support. SPY broke 380 as support. Down we go. Well, I think so as well, but hopefully not. Why can't Mullen show more than the 3 cars they already have? They actually drive? So they actually managed to have 3 working cars, the only working cars, and they're driving them around. It is selling off here in the aftermarket. I was down most of the day on Mullen, but it is pulling back quite a bit here in the aftermarket, which is great. But I was pretty surprised it's held up so well today, to be completely honest. I thought it was going to tank like crazy. So, and actually was up most of the day. So now it's finally starting to sell off. So I'm still holding that. And, but I definitely thought there would be more price action. And if there's not too much price action in the next few days, maybe even tomorrow I'll cut. But, yeah, if there's no more price action in the short term, I'm going to cut this. It's at 52 now. Okay. Amazon did a big go. Yeah, Amazon, and we're waiting for Apple too. We'll look at that in a second. What up, go Phillies? Yeah, I'm going to take the Phillies because I just hate the Astros so much. They're like the Yankees' arch nemesis. Amazon at 90. All right, so we'll look at Amazon here. All right, guys. So, yeah, I can already tell it's going to be a great show. A lot of people in here, a lot of content to cover. So appreciate everyone. Let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. All right, let me just adjust this. Check YouTube, and we'll get started here. 4 viewers, 7 likes. I think there's more than 4 viewers, unless people left, but there's, quite a bit of chatting going on. But yeah, appreciate everyone. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, first order of business. Let's do a scan. Pinterest. They have earnings. Any good plays, live Rainbow Bear plays, aftermarket? FNGD. Nope. Pinterest. That has to be earnings, right? Yeah, that's earnings. Okay. TVTX. TVTX. Earnings. Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. So we'll come back to this. Alright, let's get on to my plays today. Alright, so today was pretty good for me. Definitely not complaining. So, alright, so APDN. Still bag holding that one, but I'm almost out of this. So I'm actually in the green now. So I was down 1K. I was down 2K on this. I was down 100%. I was in at 159. This went to like $3. Something like that. And I've been bag holding for, I think, a couple of weeks now. Maybe 2 weeks or something. So it's now at 157 here in the aftermarket. So 2 more cents, 155 I'm covering. So I'm up 250 right now on that today and up $20 overall. But yeah, almost done unloading that bag. Very happy about that. Oh, Swirl says, why won't PCVX delete? I don't know, dude. I'm still holding that too. And I'm pissed about TSHA because that one went all the way down, but this one's holding up, so whatever, bro. That's how it goes. So I covered TSHA at 260, and then it went down below $2, and I'm like, really, bro?
Bruh.
That stupid hedge fund upgrade threw me off. Anyway, yeah. So PCVX, still bag holding this one. This actually didn't move too much today. It was down most of the day, but finishes like pretty break even. So yeah, 0 profit there, but still down 555 overall. Mullen, 3,900 shares. So been holding this for a couple of days in at 54. Did not perform like I thought it would. In fact, it was mooning most of the day, but today, but here in the aftermarket, it is pulling back, so that's a good sign. So I'm still holding this one, but I don't really want it anymore. We'll see how it goes. HTCR, so I'm very happy about this play, HTCR. So this is the runner today, HTCR. Was trying to get shares all day. I finally got filled at like power hour. I got filled at 189. So great entry. It did close at 151, and it's running in the aftermarket here. So hopefully that comes back down. But yeah, excellent entry, 190. And I'm planning to hold this all the way down to 107. So I'm trying to make some fat tennies on this one. Really hyped about this play. I think I got an excellent entry there. And then, so EPIX, shorted this one midday. It halted. That one's been running like crazy lately. So I shorted at 462. And unfortunately, I got stopped out at 455. It was lower than that, but then I set my stop to 455, so I got stopped out there. Made a little bit of money, probably like 20, $30. REVB, shorted that one yesterday, or 2 days ago, can't remember. For 38, covered at 28 today, so $500 something profit there, like 550, I think. CABA, Kaba. So this one, I think I was in there last week for a 165, and finally, it pulled back, and I was able to cover at 160. So I made a little bit of money there, but I really just wanted to unload the bag. And last one, AGFS. So my first long play since I've returned day trading, and it was a good one. I really couldn't believe it. I was sitting there in the pre-market. It had news, right? It said it's being acquired for $3. It's sitting there at 240, and I'm like, it's being acquired for $3. Why is this not going up? And I'm like, is this a trap? What the hell's going on? It's worth $3, but it's not. But it's sitting at 240. So I'm like, all right, whatever. So I just loaded up on it. I went long. So I was trying to sell at 290 because it's supposed to go to 3, right? But it just couldn't break 270 for some reason. So I just sold at 270, which is still a pretty good profit. So I made almost 300 there, like 250, 275, something like that. So not as much as I wanted, but yeah, first long play since I've returned, and it worked out. So certainly not complaining. So overall today, I'm up pretty good here. Let's see. Yep, I'm up 1,200 today. 1,200 today. So I'm really proud of myself. I think today was an excellent trading day for me. Could have been a little better, but really can't ask for too much more. So let's go. All right, bro, how do you know when to take a loss versus bag holding the break even? I take the loss when there's a hedge fund upgrade or the price action just really isn't going anywhere. Usually I just bag hold it to break even. No matter how big the bag is, it usually always comes back down. Eventually. So most of the time I bag hold to break even. But if there's a hedge fund upgrade, or if you're bag holding for a while and there's just no more price action, it's not going anywhere, then you should probably just cut. That's how I do it, at least. But yeah, most of the time you should be bag holding. That's why when you were like, you were covering for like small losses and stuff like that, I'm like, dude, you gotta diamond balls, dude. Like this is not how you short sell. You gotta be fearless. You know, you can't be scared when you short sell. You gotta get your money in there and get it in good, and you can't trade scared. That's day trading in general, but especially for short selling because the swings are so crazy. Being down 50% is completely normal. So I know it's a bit crazy at first when you start doing it, but honestly, being down 50%, 100% is totally normal, and just bag hold it, and usually it will come back down. I did that with IMUX. I was down 100% at IMUX, and I finished up like 50% there. I was down 100% on APDN, about to break even now for a little gain. And what was the other one? ACOR? Yeah, ACOR. Was down 100% there too, and I broke even. So, yep, usually bag holding works. You and me bagging PCVX? Yeah, so I'm holding this. It's not looking good, to be honest. I don't want to cut this, but I might have to cut this because I'm not liking the price action, and it's not going the way I want. So I'll give it a few more days probably, but if not, I'll probably just cut it. Yeah, that's a good question. I usually cut losses when I hit 20%. No, not when you're rainbow bearing. When rainbow bearing, my personal stop loss, and I'm not saying you guys should do this, but my personal stop loss is 300%. So I'm super diamond balls. Like, I know B. No, I can't curse, but you can't be scared when I do this stuff. So yeah, not saying you guys should do that, but that's how I trade, and it works. For me, at least. Dogecoin pumping? Yeah, Doge, probably because Twitter. What up, Low Roller? But yeah, probably because Twitter. You need to turn on highlight on CoinMarketCap to see the new coins. You always forget to turn on highlight CoinMarketCap. I don't like it, dude. It just... There's too much movement and stuff going on the screen, and it freezes up my computer. We can, but it's not that necessary. Anyway, rainbow bulling. Yes, rainbow bulling. Dude, being a bull for so long, it's hard to think like a bear. I know, but retail bulls usually don't. Well, retail anyone doesn't make money for the most part. So that's why I became a bear. I'm like, this shit ain't working. Might as well be a bear. And then it started working. But yeah, it's totally different. Being a bull, it's not much price action. It's slow and steady gains, very safe usually. Being a bear, it's wild, crazy price action, crazy swings, lots of profits, lots of losses. Yeah, it's completely different. So you're gonna have to get used to it, But take it slow. Take it slow. Okay. Let's do another scan. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, we got something here. DAIO. All right, they had earnings. Alright, not seeing anything going on. Alright, let's get to the watch list. HTCR is pulling back here. Nice little bear flag forming. That's good. Hopefully this tanks down. Oh, there's going to be some fat tendies, bro. Oh, man, I'm hyped for this one. I'm already up 250. But I'm going to try to hold this all the way down to $1. And I hope APDN covers soon. Need 2 more cents on that. Come on, bro. Mullen pulling back, too. Mullen's actually going back up a little bit. That's all right. No winner Powerball last night on Saturday jackpot $800 million or higher. All right, well, I might buy a ticket then. That's a lot of money. Let's get it to $1 billion, actually. Okay. All right, so let me check YouTube real quick. Take a quick drink, and we'll do the watch list here. Computer's running a little hot. Probably should have restarted before the show. That's all right. All right, so it says 3 viewers, 7 likes. So it looks like a lot of people left, or YouTube's lying. But appreciate everyone who's still here. Okay. All right, so let's do it. Watch list. So the Dow Jones up 0.61%, Nasdaq down 1.88%, and the S&P down 0.53%. So overall, slightly bearish, but not all too bad. We'll give it some applause here. Better than better than the good. All right, so the VIX is up 0.4%, up 0.11 points. VIX is at 27.39 now, which ain't the best. It ain't great, but we were at 30, like the mid 30s not too long ago, so we are making progress. But yeah, ideally we'd like to get under 20. Probably gonna be a while though. All right, let's check out the watch list here. So Shopify up 17%, big gain there. Let's see, Boeing 4.5%, McDonald's 3.3%. There's a good amount of value here. Honeywell, Kraft Heinz, Domino's. Yeah, looks like value is holding up the green side today. BP, IBKR, Southwest, Nvidia, JetBlue, Lockheed Martin, GME. Well, GME's not value. But there's some pretty decent value. Doing really well today. Probably earnings. They probably all had earnings, I'm assuming. And Schwab too, 6%. So not many stocks in the green, but the stocks that are in the green are mostly value stocks with big price action to the green side, probably earnings. So it appears like value is really holding up the market today. I mean, it went down, but if it wasn't for the value, it would have been a lot worse. All right, and on the red side, so pretty much everything in the red here, so not going to spend too much time. But yeah, we got Meta, which we will discuss. Oh, we didn't do Amazon. We'll do Amazon after this. Amazon and Apple. Okay. So yeah, Meta. Down 24. Damn ambulance. Meta down 24.56%, and we'll discuss that. We'll do a full TA coming up shortly. Yeah, mega go. Chinese stocks going down. HKD, XPeng, Li Auto, Neo, AMTD, GCT. Yeah, a lot of growth in memes down. Sundial, MGAM, TBLT, Ethereum, Oxygen. Yeah, all the... That's Amazon. Damn, so Amazon went down 4% and it's down to 88 now? Bruh. That is disgusting. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's take a look at that in a second. That is crazy. Alibaba, 4%. Yeah, Tilray, Wish, Intel, 3.4. SoFi, 3.4. Clover, 3.2. Yeah, Google, 2.85. Apple, 3%. Did the earnings come out yet? We'll check it out. Yeah, so a lot of tech in the red here. There's Microsoft. Nike, AMD, PayPal, pretty much everything. Starbucks, Costco, Netflix. Yeah, pretty much everything. So there's also a lot of value in the red side too, especially tech. So yeah, overall, guys, a lot of price action, a lot of price action today, growth and value. But I guess that's to be expected because of all these earnings. But yeah, overall, not the best day, but not the worst. Slightly bearish day, I'll take it. It seems like the apes were really the ones that got wrecked today. Well, you know what? Not really. Apes definitely got wrecked, and boomers got wrecked too, depending on what you're invested in. If you're heavy in, Amazon or Apple or Meta, whatever, they got wrecked too. So, this is a bit deceiving. This is actually worse than the indexes would suggest. But yeah, slightly bearish day here today. So I made some fat tendies. I've been eating lately, past few weeks, no matter what the market's conditions are. Red, green, I've been eating. So, big gain for me today. Hope you guys made some money as well. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Okay. Saturday Powerball will probably be 900 million or higher. All right. If it's that much, then why not? YOLO. I'll buy one. Why not? Mullen's still good short at 52. I mean, it's decent. I'm at 54. I'm trying to cover at 42, but the way it's going, But Mullen's not the best short right now. I would say yes, it's still a good short at 52, but it's not the best ticker to go for. Price action really isn't there like it should be. So your money is probably better off somewhere else, to be honest. Tomorrow is dump day? Yeah, usually Friday is. I sure hope so. Being a little bit selfish, but yeah. Fridays usually are dump day. I want to win at least $1 million Powerball. I will be at least happy, and no one will miss messing you around. You can still live normal life. Yeah, you can hit the one of the smaller prizes. Don't you still have to tell your identity though? Hey, honestly, dude, don't expect it. The chances are very, very slim, even for the smaller prize like that. The lottery is pretty much a scam for poor people. So, they trick you, they dangle it in front of your face. Hey, this could be you, and then no one wins. So hopefully, I hope you win, dude. I hope I win, but statistically, the odds are not there at all. I guess both Amazon days sucked and Ring of Power blows. Yeah, I actually didn't. The newest Amazon day, no one really even cared about. I heard about it, but I didn't buy anything, and I did not watch Lord of the Rings, and they were promoting it so much. I'm not saying it's bad, but I don't think anyone's watching it really. Amazon back to C19 lows. Wow, poop is crazy right now. All right, so let's look at Amazon. Totally forgot about that. And did Apple come out yet? Yes, Apple came out. Okay, so let's do Amazon and Apple. Amazon first. All right. Wow. This is disgusting. Let's see. Okay. EPS 28 cents beat the 22-cent estimate. Revenue 127.1 misses the $127.84 billion estimate. So earnings weren't that bad. So pretty big revenue or pretty big EPS beat. Slight revenue miss. Says Amazon Web Services growing a lot. Guidance of Q4 is 140 to 148 billion versus the estimate of 155.3 billion. So, yeah, that's probably why this is tanking. Guidance was not good. So, bunch of other minor news there, but yeah. So the earnings actually weren't that bad. They're pretty good actually. Above average, I would say. Average, definitely average to above average. A little bit above average, but yeah, bad guidance, and this is really why the stock is tanking right now. $500 million jackpot is very common now. Have you noticed due to inflation? It's not due to inflation. I mean, kind of, a little bit, but it's because they added more numbers, dude. They keep adding more numbers, and your chances get slimmer and slimmer. So yeah, they make the prize bigger, but they make the chances of winning much smaller. So yeah. So inflation's a little bit to do with it, but it's really because they just added a bunch of numbers, a bunch more numbers. So you're not gonna win as much. So the prize is more. That's how it works. SPY Timber. Lakers lost again now. Is 0-4. You think the Lakers go 0-7? Probably. I don't know. I've not watched basketball. I watched my first basketball game on TV yesterday. I've been haven't been able to watch sports lately. Just been pretty busy. All right. Damn. Epix is down to 124 now, bro. Should have held. Should have held. Can't win them all. And Kaba's down to 150. Damn, bro. Okay. Your Knicks is doing well. Yeah, I don't know what the record is, but I saw that they won yesterday, overtime. So I was happy about that. All right, guys. So there is... Oh, it's Apple. My bad. Apple. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, EPS $1.29 beat the 126 estimate. Revenue $90.1 billion beat the 88.74 billion estimate. So, yep, EPS beat, revenue beat, good earnings here. Guidance? No guidance yet. So, yeah, good earnings on Apple, and it's still going down a little bit. I don't know why. It went down to 136. That's crazy. But yeah, good earnings on Apple. Now it's back up. So Apple's Apple old reliable, but Amazon not doing good at all. Okay, damn, Epix is down to 422. Damn, bro. All right, whatever. Cool. So there is the stock market, guys. Let's get on to crypto and the news. Next 3 and 1. Nice. Let's do a scan, actually. I'll just do it real quick. I don't think there's anything. Yep, nothing going on. All right. Hold up, actually. AMZD. AMZD. All right, that's nothing. Oh, Bear ETF. Amazon Bear ETF. That would make sense. Okay. Yep. All right. Cool. Just give me a second here, guys. Let me pull up crypto and news. Oh, now crypto's down. So I guess we could have went with Romanistan. Apple guidance? They did not release guidance yet, at least. We'll come back to it. Maybe they will later, but I didn't see any guidance. Go then Apple said F your puts, lol. Intel too. I didn't see Intel. Amazon said F your calls. Yeah, J Powell said F everyone. F your calls and F your puts. Everyone loses. Except for Rainbow Bears. All right, gonna take a drink, and we'll do crypto here. Okay. So here's crypto, down 1.38% today. Not too bad, not too bad. Although when I was getting set up for the show, this was actually in the green. Just barely, but it was in the green. So I don't know what happened in the past hour here. But yeah, looks like it's selling off now. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 1.5%, holding 20.4K. Ether down 1.3% at 1530 now. Binance 1%. XRP up a little bit. Cardano down 2.1. Doge still pumping, 11%. Probably because of Twitter. Other than that, I don't see too much price action. Definitely a lot more red than green here. There's Toncoin down 16%. Yeah, let's look this out. So it doesn't appear like there's too much price action, but definitely a lot of red I see. All right, we'll start on the green side. Really not much on the green side here. We can count it. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so there's 16 coins in the green. Let's call it 15%. So 15% of the coins in the green, and not too much price action. Biggest gainer is Clayton, 25%, and then Doge 11%. And then after that, it drops off pretty significantly. Then it's Terra, classic USD. So there's a decent amount of value, especially Doge, on the green side. Doge is really holding up the green side today. Doge and Clayton. Really Doge, I would say. And Cosmos and Uniswap and Sheep, but mostly Doge. So yeah, not many coins in the green. But the coins that were, there's a lot of value in the green though. So, but yeah, most definitely Dogecoin holding up the green side. If Doge was in the red today, this would be a lot worse. Let's get to the red side. So, yeah, once again, 85% of the coins in the red. And also not much price action on this side either. Biggest loser is Toncoin, 12.4%. Only coin in the double digits. And everything else, yeah, the price action wasn't too bad. And this is mostly growth. Some value in there, though. But yeah, that would do it. So most of the coins in the red. And not much price action. So yeah, slightly bearish today. To be expected, because crypto has been ripping the past few days. So yeah, sorry guys. Hope you guys didn't lose too much money here. But overall, bearish day in the stock market, slightly bearish day in the crypto market. So today is pretty good. Unless you went full rainbow bear mode. Like me. Okay. Let's get on to the news today. Oh, APDN's at 155? Did it fill? It's at 155. Come on, fill. Nice. A little bit more. Come on, give me the fill. Mullen down to 5180. 52. HTCR 166. Okay. Yeah, I need this APDN fill. That'd be very, very nice. Very, very nice. Unload the bag. Okay. Alright, guys. So today we got 3 articles. One about FTX and stablecoins. One about Visa and crypto wallet. And one about the GDP. This shouldn't take too long. It's pretty straightforward. Not so many articles here. Alright, so first one. SBF. FTX explores stablecoin rollout in not too distant future, in quotes. Okay, so yeah, so FTX is creating a stablecoin. It is very likely that they will develop through a partnership and possibly launch one in the not too distant future. And he said that FTX will not buy Robinhood. Not completely. Yep, so pretty straightforward there. So FTX making their own stablecoin. And it's going to come out pretty soon, according to SBF. All right, next one. Visa has plans to launch its own cryptocurrency wallet. Global financial giant Visa plans to push deeper into crypto, even though CEO Al Kelly recently questioned its utility. All right, so yeah, pretty straightforward here. And they also have software that audits your crypto? Nah, bro.
Bruh.
Well, I won't be using that. Hell no, you're not gonna audit me. What do you think this is? Okay. And they're gonna go into NFTs soon. All right, doesn't really say much, but yeah, they're going to have their own crypto wallet, and they're gonna start getting into NFTs soon. All right, last one. All right, got you, low roller. Don't post too many because we have a lot of stuff to get to. All right, US GDP. This is the big news today. US GDP accelerates at 2.6% pace in Q3, better than expected as growth turns positive. All right, so big story today. Key points. Gross domestic product rose 2.6% in the third quarter versus the estimate of 2.3%. A narrowing trade deficit and increases in consumer spending and government outlays boosted the number. A sharp pullback in housing subtracted from the number, part of a broader decline in private investment. Consumer spending decelerated, increasing at just a 1.4% pace in the quarter, down from 2% in Q2. Okay. So, yeah, so the past 2 quarters we had negative GDP. So, big difference being in the red than. And even the 2.3% estimate was. I don't know where that came from, but they were right, and it actually was better than that. So, yeah, this was really bullish. Really bullish. So, SPY was pumping, and then everyone got dumped on. So, this is good for the economy. It was good in the morning, but then the bears came in. But yeah, this is good. This is good. And we are starting to hear rumors of a possible pivot. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen. But everyone is claiming pivot soon, so we'll see. Personally, I don't want to pivot because I'm eating out here as a rainbow bear. And it's just going to delay the inevitable for the future, so might as well just get it over with. All right, 3 from low roller. Let's do it real quick. That load. Let's do a scan in the meantime, I guess, while that loads. It's taking a long time to load. Let's have a lot of ads on there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Apple earnings. All right, so we just went over this. Yeah, Apple earnings. EPS beat, revenue beat. Not really moving. Hold up a second. Dogecoin surges 35% as Elon Musk's Twitter deal approaches close. Yeah, so that is exactly why Doge is going up, because of Twitter and Elon. Probably going to tank soon. Okay. Binance launches native Oracle network starting with BNB chain. What does that mean? Oh, the smart contracts. This is just like techie stuff. Really, really techie stuff. All right, well, now they want me to take off ad block, so that's not going to happen. So that's like techie, nerdy stuff. I'm not into all that. Can't really explain that to you. But yeah, it looks like they're going to upgrade the network. All right, guys. So that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Actually, we're doing pretty decent on time here. Better than I thought. All right, so let's do one more scan, and then let's get into Meta. Oh, I gotta pull those up too, because we have meta news for when we get to the TA. Oh, and also the Yolos. We have a lot of meta Yolos, so that may or may not be its own video tonight, depending on how good the content comes out. But yeah, we have a lot of meta gain corn today on puts. Damn, Amazon's getting wrecked, bro. My bus will offer free bus pass on election day. I think everywhere does. That's cool. Save yourself $2, whatever it is now, $3. Binance will get hacked soon since they launched a network. I mean, probably, or exploited at least, but they got money to pay, you know, to take the hit and to repay their investors. So, cost of doing business. Meta YOLO lol. Yeah, when's the day you would hear that, right? Meta YOLO, Amazon YOLO. When did Meta become a meme stock? When did Amazon become a meme stock? When did SPY become a meme stock? This is crazy. Damn, APDN's back up. That's all right. All right, cool. So one more scan, then we'll do Meta here. I keep calling it Facebook. It's actually not Facebook anymore. It's actually Meta. They changed it. It used to be like, I think they changed the name to Meta, but it was still under FB, the ticker. But now the ticker is actually Meta, because I was looking at my Facebook TA, like, why can't I transfer the Facebook TA over? Why is it not working? And then I realized it's Meta. All right, not seeing any aftermarket action. Hasn't been any aftermarket action lately. Bro, I just sold off my 372 puts today, FML, like 6 contracts of it. I am so sad right now. WTF am I thinking? Well, you made money, right? Because SPY went down. I hope it made money. Why are you upset, dude? Please do a bro and give me the clown. If you want it, sure.
Bruh.
Are you watching Jake Paul boxing fight this weekend? You can watch it illegally. Who's he fighting? Is he fighting, Probably not, no. I really don't care. I know he was fighting someone actually, like, legit, like Anderson Silva or something. Did he win? Yeah, Anderson Silva, yeah. Washed up Anderson Silva. Who can't kick, which is what he does. Anderson Silva just kicks you in the face, right? So he can't do that now. So he's probably going to lose. Jake Paul's probably going to win. Because he beat Ben Askren. No one expected that. But Ben Askren's a wrestler. So, yes. Jake Paul will probably win. We'll see. Nope, I didn't. I sold them all off for a loss to save capital. SPY was just moving around 380 all day. All right, man. So, all right. So this is what happened to you. I got you. He bought, dump it. Or, yeah, he sold his puts, dump it. Yep. Never fails. So, yeah, sorry to hear that, dude. Hope it wasn't too bad. But, you know, you live and learn. You'll make it back. There's more opportunity. There's always going to be another opportunity. Yeah, I appreciate that, low roller. I already got my own streaming thing. Me and my cousin, we pay for it. Okay, cool. Meta. I am saving capital to start my IBKR account. Yes. Good idea. So, you know, try not to spend too much in real life. Budget. And yeah. F Bulls, I'm going to be a Rainbow Rainbow Bear. Welcome to the dark side, dude. Welcome to the dark side. I'm converting everyone. Yes, I agree. F Bulls. Not F Bulls, you know. I love the Bulls. But see, the Bulls hate the Bears, but the Bears just really don't care. Bears are like, hey, everyone's eating out here. Bulls are like, you damn Bears, I hate you. Hey, I love the Bulls. There's plenty to go around for everyone. But, yes, in this market, the only way to make money is being a Rainbow Bear. PayPal fund is back $2,500. Really? All right, well, go woke, go broke, right? All right, cool. Let me pull up my notes here. All right, so we're doing pretty good on time here. It's 4:54, so yeah, we're doing pretty decent on time. So all we got left is Meta and the Yolos. So this is probably going to take longer than usual, probably 30 minutes, because there is a lot to get through. We have news and upgrades or downgrades and earnings. But yeah, so we're going to do Meta, and then we'll do the Yolos, which is a lot of Meta puts, a lot of Meta gain core in there, so that should be fun. And that's probably going to be its own video, depending on how good the content is. Hopefully it's good. Mullen at 50. Nice. Yep, I'm still in there. Still holding. I need 42. All right, some more people coming in. What up, Jalen and Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. Oops. Did not mean to do that. Okay. Damn my mullet. Ken, you didn't sell? I told you to sell yesterday. I told you to sell yesterday, dude. You didn't sell? Man. Oh, hope you sell now, because it's going down. It's going timber. My meta put. Did your meta put print? Should have. You did? You did, okay. So why you say, damn my mullen? You got profits, dude. Alright, congrats to you. 49 mullen. It's pushing 49, but it's holding. All right, never mind. It's pushing 49. Yeah, 50 looks like some critical support that it just broke. So this may be going bad really soon. But you know, I give the apes credit. I did not think it would hold up this well. But you know, inevitably, they will get wrecked. Put print too much. I want mullen go up a little. Why? So you can short it? I do not want mullen to go up. No, I just want it to go down. Okay. Cool. They should have showcased more than 3 cars. It doesn't matter what they would have showcased. They would have sold off. This whole thing is a PR stunt from the con man himself, David Mitchery. You know, literally dropping PR after PR after PR for 2 straight weeks. And he probably dumped it's probably him dumping the shares right now. You know that, right? It's probably him dumping it on the apes. So yeah, obviously, this is obviously planned. It's a whole PR stunt by David Mitchery to pump the stock. He probably cashed out on the apes, and now it's going to go good. And now it broke 49. So it wouldn't have mattered what products they introduced. It's a Southern News event. Nothing good today, Mullen. They lied again? Of course. What did you expect? The apes keep believing in this guy. I don't know why. They keep believing in this company. They keep believing in this stupid fraud. You know, I keep trying to warn the apes, and all I get is reported for that. So, hey, whatever. Not my problem. Yeah, it's pushing 48 now. It is going down quite a bit here. In the after. Was there news? Why is it going down so much? I think it's just being shorted. And there's still shares available. There's no news. Why is it going down? Hey, I'm not complaining. Yeah, it's pushing 48 now. Can Mullen go back to $1? I mean, anything is possible. Will it? Probably not. It will when it reverse splits. Yes, it will go back to $1 when it reverse splits. And then it'll go back under $1. So Rara Coco was right. It's gonna go to $1 when it reverse splits. Today? Hell no, dude. Today it's going to 45. The way it's looking now. It's pushing 48 right now. And then short it? Too late for that, dude. Should have shorted at, 60, 55. Okay. So, yep, Rara Coco was right. He a reverse split guy. Don't know what you mean by that. What, he likes reverse splits? Anyway, guys, let's get on to Meta today. So this is going to take a little longer than usual. Probably be done here in half hour, and then another 15 half hour for the Yolos. So, yeah, I think we'll be done in an hour. We'll see. But we are doing good in time here. So let's keep going. Okay, let's do it. So here is META Meta Platforms. This finishes at $97.94 today. That is down 24.56%. One more time, because it's honking outside. My bad, guys. All right.
It's gone.
Why is my frames not... Computer's a little hot. Should have restarted. One more time. Yeah, I'm not getting full frames here. Interesting.
And it's gone.
All right, now it's working. Okay. So we haven't talked about Meta in a while here. But in the past year, this stock has been getting absolutely wrecked. From the high of 350, from the high of 354, all the way now all the way down to below 100. And there's a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We did have earnings. We had earnings and a bunch of price downgrades. So let's check that out. We had news, earnings, and a bunch of price downgrades. So let's check that out. That's how Mark be looking at The Office? No, he's a robot, dude. He's a lizard. No, he's a robot. He doesn't have emotion. He's just like... all day, every day. No emotion. He's a robot. Okay. Let me see what the news is, actually. Too many damn ads. Probably a safe play to buy a put option on Meta now after it already tanked. I mean, probably, but you're not going to make that much money. The big good is over. Okay. So EPS was EPS was $1.64, which missed the estimate of $1.85, and revenue was $27.71 billion, which beat the estimate of $27.4 billion. So actually, the earnings were not that bad. Slight EPS beat, or excuse me, slight EPS miss, slight revenue beat. So pretty average earnings here. And I don't know what the guidance is. I couldn't find it. And I don't know what the guidance is, but it says that it was below the estimates. So that's probably why the stock is selling off so hard. Bad guidance, which is really what Wall Street cares about. So we do have some news. I have a few articles from CNBC. Let's check that out. All right. Facebook used to be a tech giant. Oh, wrong one. Meta shares plummet on weak fourth quarter forecast and earnings miss. Meta reported a second straight quarterly revenue decline. And is forecasting another drop in the fourth quarter. The company's Reality Labs division. One more time. Damn, hold on, it's going back up. The company's Reality Labs division, which houses its VR headsets, lost over $9 billion in the first 3 quarters. What the hell? Bruh. The stock plunged in extended trading I cannot read today. The stock plunged in extended trading after already losing 2/3 of its value so far this year. All right. And second article, Facebook used to be a big tech giant. Now Meta isn't even in the top 20 most valuable companies Now Meta isn't even in the top 20 most valuable US companies. Last year, Facebook was among the 5 most valuable U.S. companies with a market cap over $1 trillion. Now the company is worth about $270 billion. Meta forecast a third straight quarter of revenue declines on Wednesday, leaving CEO Mark Zuckerberg to thank investors who are still on board for their patience. The company is no longer in the top 20 in terms of market cap in the U.S. Okay. So it appears like Meta is investing heavily into the metaverse, billions and billions of dollars, and so far it has not worked out at all. And I think the investors are starting to get pissed off. And I think the investors are starting to lose their patience. Apparently their ad revenue is going down too. So Facebook having a really bad time. If it wasn't for their subsidiaries like Instagram and WhatsApp, they'd be in pretty bad shape right now. Okay. Wow, a lot of downgrades here. Okay. And in addition, we do have a lot of price downgrades from the hedge funds. Let's check that out. Goldman Sachs downgrades to 165, MKM 140, Stifel 185, Deutsche 125, Canaccord 200, Truist 160, JP Morgan 115, Bank of America 136, Rosenblatt 114, Raymond James 171, UBS 157, Guggenheim 125, Citi 168, Oppenheimer 140, Bernstein 135, Credit Suisse 145, Morgan Stanley 105, Cohen 135, Wolf 140, Susquehanna 140, Mizuho 160, Barclays 165, Piper Sandler 116, RBC 150. Oops. And Jeffries 155. So we have a pretty wide range of price targets here. But it appears like all of the hedge funds are still bullish on Meta. Although they all pulled their money today. So on the lower end, we have 105. And on the higher end, we have 200. So all the hedge funds are still bullish on the stock, even though a lot of them sold. A lot of them sold today. Okay. Now the TA. This was number 1 on StockTwits today. Had over 18,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. All right. Notes. Look at Amazon put printing. Who's Amazon puts? Guidance was a big FU to the investors. Yeah, at least they told the truth. You know what to expect going down the road. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows. But there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 138, 142, 150, 162, or 170. Yeah. And in the longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of 384. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We also have an inverse Head and Shoulders forming. A few days ago, back in the 120 range, was where the first shoulder was. Down here today, at 98, is where the head is forming. So the next step would be for the second shoulder to form, and that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that the stock might break out to the upside. We do have a triple gap down. First gap down was created today at 129. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 129 to fill that gap. Second gap down was back at 167. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 167 to fill this gap. And the third gap down was back at 317. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 317 to fill this gap. It may take a while, but eventually, in the longer term, the gap should fill. Okay. Gonna move my screen here. The RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is currently at 24. So this is pretty deep in oversold and undervalued territory. So the RSI is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the current price of $98 should be a lot higher. Okay. The MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Down here on the MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay, change this back. Here we had a descending channel forming. Where the upper channel is currently at 123 and the lower channel is currently at 110. So if this broke 123 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this broke 110 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So this was above 123. This was a bullish indicator. Unfortunately, after today's sell-off, it is now a bearish indicator. Unfortunately, after today's sell-off, the descending channel is currently a bearish indicator. Is now a bearish indicator. Okay. Oops. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 97. So that's a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. Okay. I think I got everything there. Yeah, okay. And if you guys want to follow along, let me draw. Alright, let me draw some more here, but it's not really. Huh. Alright, 1 second, guys. Let me draw a few more here. Shouldn't take long. Alright, we're good. Okay, change of idea. Buy a call option since the GA is done. Gonna run it on my paper trade and see. I'd probably give it a few days, dude. Maybe tomorrow or Monday. You know what the 3-day rule is, right? Which we'll get to in a second here. Okay. Excuse me. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So we'll go to 200 here. So right now this is sitting on the support of $98, which it finished at today. Actually, hold on. Yeah, wow. 3-year low. That is incredible. So right now this is sitting on the support of $98, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 103, 123, 125, 127, 130, 131, 134, 135, 136, 138, 139, 142, 145, 146, 149, 150, 153, 155, 157, 159, 162, 164, 167, 169, 172, 174, 177, 179, 181, 184, 187, 191, 193, 195, 197, and then 200. There is resistance above 200, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 96.40. 96.40. 96.40 is the 3-year low. I do not have support below that. Okay. So right now at the current price, $98, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 123 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 123 to the upside. And this did 231 million in volume today. Yeah, that is the 3-year high. Which is the 3-year high, so very significant volume. Way above the average of 27 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Probably should have added another one there. Whatever. Yeah. 128. Okay. So once again, it's been a really rough year for this stock. And really for all of tech and the market in general. But it is Facebook. But it is Meta. Blue chip value stock. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to go bankrupt. They made some smart investments in Instagram and WhatsApp. If it wasn't for that, they'd be in some trouble right now. And they do have a few other subsidiaries. So it just keeps on making lower lows. But at this point, the chart is starting to look extremely bullish in the short and long terms. Well, yeah. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, triple gap down. And RSI. And again, we have bearish indicators in the aftermarket action, MACD, and descending channel. So there are more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. And the bullish indicators appear to be very strong. So based on the technicals, the stock does look very bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, looks like an excellent play to me. Maybe not just yet, because this is still selling off. But I would apply the 3-day rule here, which for everyone who doesn't know, is when a stock gets wrecked, you should probably wait a couple days before you decide to jump in and go long. But yeah, you really can't go too wrong here. Excellent entry, 3-year low at $98. Again, in the longer term, this should eventually come back up to 317 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of $98, let's see. $317, right? Yep. So from the current price of $98, that would be about a 225% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term. And it's difficult to say how low this may pull back. Because we don't have any more data. Because we don't have any more data to go off of. But this really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. This is getting a bit ridiculous. So I would say going long at the current price, $98 would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you buy now and hold it for a few years, this will pay off. This will pay off a lot. So I can't support going long at the current price, $98. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. But yeah, this is an excellent buying opportunity. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For all the same reasons that going long is a good play right now, going short appears to be a really bad play. Again, a lot of strong bullish indicators. More bullish indicators than bearish indicators. 3-year low. You should have went short literally anywhere from the $300 range down to about $150. And here at $98, it's a bit too late to go short. You missed your chance. And you're probably going to get burned. Okay. Again, this should eventually come back up to 317 to fill the gap, which would be a 225% upside potential. And again, this really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. So I would say going short at the current price, $98 would be a very high risk, low reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why you'd go short here. Doesn't make any sense. So I don't like the current entry of $98 on the short side. But I will say, if / when this does come back up to any of the gaps, and they fill, those would probably be some good entries on the short side. Although personally, I would never short a blue chip value stock. But yeah, in summary, guys, damn ambulance. At least it's interrupting now. We're almost done. Okay, the hell was I saying? Alright. So in summary, guys, really bad year for this stock. Really bad year for Meta. Today's earnings did not help at all. But now would be a good time to buy the dip. Excellent buying opportunity here. And there's really no reason to go short. You missed your chance. you missed a chance, and you're probably going to get burned at this point. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock, and to everyone looking to... Well, so sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But now is a good time to load up and buy the dip. Excellent buying opportunity. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock, and to everyone looking to take a position. This is META, Meta Platforms. Alright. Cool. So, yeah, that didn't take too long. About half an hour. We actually got through that faster than I thought. Alright, guys. Cool. So let's do another scan, and let's finish up with the Yolos. I hope the Yolos are good today. I mean, I know they're good, but I hope the content comes out well, so I can make another video about that as well. Okay. Still not seeing much aftermarket action. Jack. What is that? Jack. More earnings. Alright, nothing going on here. Cool. Yeah, we'll sell the triple digits? You mean $100? Alright, alright, 1 second here, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos, and let's finish up the show. So we should be out of here in like 15, 20 minutes. So I thought we may go 3 hours today. Thank God we didn't. But yeah, 2 hours, that's good enough. Alright, I need APDN to hit this to fill. It's just sitting at 155. Just need 1 more cent. Come on. 1 more cent. You know what, I'm just going to take 156. I really don't care. Wow, it didn't go through. Alright, I'm changing it back then. Come on, just fill. Wow, HTCR is down to 152 now, bro. Wow, let's go. Alright, that was the double money printer. I hit the button twice, accidentally. Yep, so HTCR. Nice, nice. And hopefully that keeps pulling back into tomorrow, and I make some fat tendies on that. Wow, what an entry. Wow. Okay. What up, B-Flam? What's up? Amazon also tanking hard after earnings. Yeah, I'll probably do Amazon tomorrow. Once we get the upgrades and everything else comes out. So yeah, Facebook today, Amazon probably tomorrow. Appreciate you, dude. As always. All right, let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at, and let's do the Yolos. 5 viewers, 10 likes. All right, so still a lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone. Oh, I gotta... Okay.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so still loading here. We'll give it another minute. Wow, AGFS is at 274 now. Went up to 275. Wow. All right. So still loading, but I think we'll get started here anyway. Okay. We have 12. Okay. All right, guys. So today this should be really fun. We have 12 Yolos. A lot of memes, a lot of gain corn on meta puts. And just some meta Yolos. Everything is meta today, for the most part. And depending on how good this content comes out, this may or may not be its own video. Hopefully it is. Alright, let's do it. So, this is by Stonks Only Go Down. In this market, yeah. So, as always, with every time we do YOLOs, we got to start out with our man, Jim Cramer. So, is anyone really surprised? I mean, Cramer was bullish on Meta. So, yeah, here we see on Mad Money. I don't know when this was, but Zuckerberg, Metaverse will be a big thing over the next decade. Well, I didn't see Cramer really say anything about it, but, well, he doesn't say anything here. But yeah, Cramer was shilling Meta hard. And you guys know the joke? You know, inverse Jim Cramer, and that would have worked. That definitely would have worked here. I think I've only actually worn the Oculus one time. I've played it one time ever. You heard New York City, Times Square getting casino. I can't believe you don't have casino in New York City. It's not official yet. They submitted a bid for it, so it's not official. But yes, hopefully that happens. And yeah, we do have a casino. It's just not a good one. We've some in Queens, we've some in Yonkers. It's there are casinos, but they're like really small and not that good. So I think the one at Times Square is like gonna be a legit, you know, like a brand name. I think it's, I forgot who did it. Caesars put in a bid or something. I forgot, but it's gonna be a legit casino. Yeah, not like these dingy casinos around here. Nevada should get their own lottery. People doesn't have to go other states. People just should not play lottery in general. But okay. Other states have casinos and lottery, and Nevada should have a lottery. They can put lottery inside casino. No, they can't, because it's not the same thing. Casino is private. Lottery is public. Unless they give the casino a cut. But no, that probably wouldn't work. Nevada doesn't need the lottery. They have every other type of gambling. That'd be over. That'd be too much. All right. So staying on Jim Cramer, we got a Tombstone by The Chosen Low Bob. Tombstone. So we got Jim Cramer, a CNBC picture. The Wolf of Wrong Street. Alright, so, yeah, we got Tesla, Netflix, FedEx, Coinbase, Lyft, and Bear Stearns. I guess Cramer was bullish on all of them. Yep, Wolf of Wrong Street. So, no, it's funny because he's not the best financial advisor, and you should not take financial advice from this guy. But this guy just keeps making money from all the hate he gets. Like, everyone just clowns on him, and he just makes more money. So respect to the man. He's an entertainer. And he's either just dumb but he's not dumb because he used to be an ex-hedgie. So I think he's just lying to people. I don't know. Anyway. But yeah, shout out to Jim Cramer. Always giving us great content. Still on Cramer. By Predicting Any 007. Just saw this on Twitter. So we have a clown meme here. So this is from June 20. So Jim Cramer tweets. So June 21st, 2022. Meta. October 29th. I love the meta. So big. October 24th. The lack of respect for Meta is incredible. And October 26th. Will Meta hold 100? They should have pre-announced. Unbelievable. They have no controls. None. Yep. Spoken like, it sounds like an ape, actually. You know? Shill. Gets wrecked. What is happening? Manipulation. Yeah, so, clown on Cramer. Give him the clown here. Why the F would anyone, after spending 8 hours at work or 1 to 2 hour commute, then spend their time in the metaverse pretending to be someone else? It's like a video game. I mean, it's not just a video game, but you know, it depends on what you're doing. I mean, I can't personally speak to this because I've never been in the metaverse. I don't think I have. Maybe once. But you know, if I don't want to go to the casino and play poker, I'll just jump in the metaverse and play poker. But then you get exposed to cheating and all this stuff. Anyway, so there are occasions where it makes sense. You know, if you want to socialize with your friends and just unwind, something like that. Or you're playing a video game. You can play Call of Duty in real life, or Call of Duty in the metaverse with your, you know, with your friends. That'd be pretty cool. Metacorn, yeah, that's a thing too. That is actually a thing already. So, yes, I totally forgot about that. Low roller, we may not have time for those. We're gonna get out of here in 20 minutes. So if we have time, we'll do it. But if not, we gotta skip it because I was focusing on meta today. Anyway. Lottery will create new jobs in Nevada, too. More 7-Eleven in Nevada. Dude, honestly, it does not help people. It does not help the little guy. It just helps the state. Lottery helps the state. The state wins. The little guy does not win in the lottery. You know, they keep giving you hope. They dangle it in front of your face. You can be a billionaire. Keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. Highly, highly unlikely. You know, it's just mathematically, it doesn't make sense to play lottery. It's just like the casino. Mathematically, you cannot win the game. Like, over the long term, you're gonna lose money. So, yeah, you know, it's just really sad to me. It's just, it's extorting poor people. That's all it is. Anyway, I'm not gonna go on my rant, but I hate the lottery. It's immoral. But I can't lie, if I was government, I'd probably do it too. Alright. Investing in the stock market is like casino now? Yeah, I mean, it always was, but now you got these dumb apes treating it like a casino. So, it can be one if you want it to be, but, if you want it to be, you're probably going to lose your money. Alright, by not your dad, I blame your mama. That's some Bill the Tiger Cub Huang type of loss right there. All right, so Meta spent $45 billion on stock buybacks the last year, and at $3.30 a share. The stock is worth $100 today after post-earnings crash.
Bruh.
And it's gone.
Wow. They bought back at $3.30 a share. Ouch. This would be a good time to buy back. Damn. Yeah, not looking good for Facebook. Or Meta, my bad. Look at Zuck. This guy. The guy's either a robot or a lizard. Or both. A lizard robot. Alright, cool. So that's all the memes. Let's get into the Yolos. This is by Anabolic Arab 1. 2 minutes before market close, I realized I hate lizard people. He's referring to Mark Zuckerberg. All right, what do we got here? Okay. All right, what do we got here? 200 contracts expiring October 28th, Friday. Super FD. Doesn't even say what the doesn't even say what the strike is. Where's the strike? Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's 14, 115. 115 strike. Let's see, 195, 197. This was a 39.4K YOLO. And right now he's up $273,000. 692%. Absolutely crazy. let's see Meta real quick, actually. Okay. So, highly, highly risky. I don't recommend anyone do this. Unless you're rich like that. So the strike was decent, but bad expiration. And this was really more luck than anything. So we bought some lottery tickets, and they printed. So at this point, he should be okay. This is not going to go to 115 by tomorrow. So these are going to finish in the money. And he's going to enjoy his tendies. So high risk, high reward. Glad it worked out, but this could have went really, really bad. And usually it does. This is not typical. But yeah, epic gain corn. 700% gain. Very jealous. So anabolic Arab won. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. I personally would never do this, but glad it worked out. And enjoy your attendees, dude. And for the future, you should probably just chill out. You got lucky once, probably not gonna happen again. Just enjoy your attendees, and make smart decisions. All right, by Head Kraken, Meta puts. All right, so the guy doesn't actually say what the puts were, but we see here today he's up $116,000, 322%. So probably another FD lottery ticket. So probably more FD lottery tickets. Got real lucky, and he's printing. Can't really say much about this one. But Head Kraken, thanks for posting. Don't know what your play was, but it was probably highly risky. So I'm glad it worked out. And yeah, dude, this should finish in the money. So congrats to you. Enjoy the attendees. And going forward, just like the other guy, make smart decisions. Should probably not do this again. Because probably next time this is gonna go really, really bad. But yeah, congrats to you. Enjoy the attendees. Thanks for hosting. Good luck. All right, next one by Revolutionary Title 32. Meta Reverse. All right, what do we have here? 200 puts. October 28th. 128 strike. Cost basis. This was approximately a 14K YOLO. And right now he's up 45.6K, 337%. So this one's a bit better than the other two because the strike is actually in the money. Because the strike was actually bought in the money. So this is a little more safety. But I still don't like the expiration. But well timed. So this guy I've reviewed before. He doesn't appear to be a total crayon eating ape. Yeah, so this guy, I've reviewed him before. He seems to know what he's doing. He's not a crayon eating ape, he's a smart ape. So still pretty risky, not as risky as the other two guys. But I believe this guy had a plan. And it worked. I still don't recommend anyone do this unless you can afford to lose the money. But yeah, at this point, Epic gained corn, and it should finish in the money. So, revolutionary title 32. Thanks for posting once again. Congrats to you. Pretty risky play. But it seems like this was intentional, and it worked. So congrats to you. Thanks for posting. Enjoy your tendies, and looking forward to more posts from you in the future. Oh, this is the same guy. Hold up, this is the same guy. Hold up a second. 116K, WTF, man. Dan Mullen, 63% bag holder. What? Who's a 63% bag holder? What are you talking about? Should you FOMO into Mullen on the long side? No, dude. Hell no. Are you crazy? My man invested 40K YOLO into puts. Not invested, gambled, but yes. Hold up here a second. Wasn't this the same guy? I'm gonna need APDN to cover. I do hear the ambulance coming down the road. Yeah, it's the same guy. Oh, wow. Alright, I see. Alright, so this is the... Alright, so I may have to read... I don't really want to read... Market value. Alright, we're not going to do this. We already did it. That's whatever. Alright, 3 more. Let me FOMO, please. You can do whatever you want, dude. I just think it's a really bad idea. Look, the person username. Don't forget mine. Dude, if we're not done in 8 minutes, we're not gonna do yours. We gotta get out of here. Okay. Next one by Wolfpack Rider. Thanks much, Meta. Still done 52K. Want to play slow this time. Any suggestions? You gotta be kidding me. So this looks good, right? 20K gain today, 20.5K gain today, 184%. But when you compare it to this, down 53K all time. The gains don't seem that good. The gains don't seem that great. So another play that I can't. So another play that I don't know what the actual strike and expiration was. So another YOLO that I don't actually know what the play was. But probably super FDs like everyone else. And he wanted to play this slow, but then he went all in YOLO, right? Makes sense. So any suggestions? Chill out, dude. This is how you got burned the first time. So you got lucky this time. And yes, you should slow down, because if you don't, you will get burned again. I promise you that. So any suggestions? Make smart decisions. Great, we have a siren coming down the road. 1 second, guys. Gonna mute. My apologies. Alright. This one is loud. But, should be passing soon. Okay. So any suggestions? Yeah, stop doing this. You got lucky this time, but next time you won't be. But next time you won't be. But next time you won't be so lucky. So yes, enjoy your tendies. Take it slow. Do the boring boomer thing. ETFs, index funds. So this is pretty much the story of every ape. A true degen gambler hits it big, but when you zoom out and look at the whole account, the time frame of your whole account, but if you zoom out and look at the history of your account, it's probably going to be deep in the red, like this. He's still neg, right? Yeah, down 52K. Okay. So, Wolfpack Rider, thanks for posting. Congrats on the gains today. You got lucky. And at this point, just enjoy your tendies. Do it the right way. Stop YOLOing. Unless you want to be down over 80K. But congrats to you. Thanks for posting. And good luck. YOLO on Dogecoin? No. Please no. Put it in SPY. Buy something legit. All right. Buy these Hornets 920. Well, that went hits up. Can't really say the word, but you can read it yourself. All right, let's load this up. Okay. So this one is great. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. So this guy sold naked puts. 35 naked puts, 120 strike. So he wanted this to finish above 120. And the more it goes below 120, the more he gets wrecked. So I always tell you guys, if you're trading options, never, ever, ever, oh my god, never, ever, ever sell naked options. That's a highly risky strategy reserved for hedge funds. So this was an 11K YOLO. Actually, how do you get negative 70? Oh, let's see here. 324. 335. Yep. So this was about an 11.5K YOLO. And he's down 60K. 525%.
And it's gone.
So I don't know what this guy was thinking. If anything, he should have sold covered. He should have sold cash secured puts, not naked puts. But if it did work, he would have printed, and we wouldn't be questioning this. So you don't see this very often. But this is the dangers of selling naked options, guys. So never do that. But overall, this is still a rich guy. He still has over 500. He still has over 500K, so he can take the L. But in the future, I would not recommend doing this again. So these Hornet 920, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But that's what happens when you play naked options. Extremely high risk and high reward. So it didn't work out here, but this is a good learning lesson for all the apes. Who probably won't learn a damn thing. So thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. But you're okay, dude. Good luck to you. All right, last one. Yellow roller. We're not gonna have time for yours. Sorry, dude. Last one. Why market value negative 70K? So he owes 70K dollars? Yeah, he does. Yes, he does. He's on margin. Okay. Last one. By Intelligent Choice, 48. Just bought 215K meta calls. Oh my god. All right. So we have calls for November 18th, $90 and $105 strikes. So, actually, this isn't that bad of a play. I like the $90 strike. The expiration is decent, not the best, but giving himself a few weeks here. The 105 is a bit questionable. I probably wouldn't do that. But if it hits, it's going to print. So I don't care how rich you guys are. You should never YOLO 215K on options. And I sure hope this goes well, because if it doesn't, this guy's gonna get wrecked. So we'll see how it goes. But this is pretty ridiculous to me. Either way, this is gonna be epic. So Intelligent Choice 48, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. You're gonna need it. I'm rooting for you. Very scared for you. Hope it works out. Ridiculous YOLO. Nobody do this. But you are a legend. And no matter what happens, please post updates. I want to see how this goes. Okay. That's it, guys. So I think that was some pretty good content. And I'm probably going to make its own video there. And hopefully it gets some views, because, you know, the show's been slow lately. Alright, last order of business. Let's do one more scan and let's get out of here. But I don't think anything's going on. Alright, don't see anything. Load up here. ACGL. Alright, yeah, I'm not seeing anything. How would he pay the money back if he loses more than he had started with? Why does Robinhood close your platform or resist you from trading? Does Robinhood close your platform or resist you from trading? He did have the money. He had 500. He had 600K, so he can pay it back. But if you couldn't pay it back, yeah, they would just restrict you from trading, and they would just spam you with emails and send letters to your house and possibly send a collection agency on you. So yes, he did have enough money, but if he did not have enough money, they're gonna come after your ass. Moral of the story. Alright, guys. So, good stuff. That's the show for today. We actually did pretty good on time. I said 2 hours to 2.5 hours, and we went a little over 2 hours today. So, appreciate everyone for being here today. Great show. A lot of content to cover. A lot of chatting. Surprised we got through this so quickly, actually. But yeah, guys. Hopefully tomorrow, tendies. Let's end the week good. Better do a Do Kwon and disappear. Yep, and then claim you're not on the run. I'm not running. All right, guys. Appreciate everyone. See you guys tomorrow, and see you guys tomorrow here, and catch you guys on Discord. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.